In this guide, I'm going to show you how to disable autocorrect on your iPhone. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video so others can find it as well. So the first thing we're going to do is to open up settings. Then we're going to select general and you're going to scroll down and find keyboard. Here is where you're going to have different options like any shortcuts that you have, your languages, and under all keyboards, you're going to see autocorrection. This is exactly what you need to turn off in case autocorrect is bothering you and constantly changing your words or whatever it is that you're typing, because I know it can be very frustrating. You can disable different things right here as well, including stickers, emojis. Maybe if you don't like your first letter to be capital, you can take that option off as well. And now if you go back to your text messages, your iPhone will not autocorrect whatever it is that you want to type. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye.